Hello friends, in this video I gonna show you how to enable developer mode in Windows 11. So firstly open settings. So click here or type here settings. Now in here click on privacy and security. Then click on for developers. Now here you will see option developer mode. Install apps from any source including loose files. So to enable and turn on, just select to on position. Turning on developer mode including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store could expose your device and personal data to security risk or harm your device. So if you are sure, click on yes. So like this guys, you can enable developer mode in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.